Alright, we're going to take a look at installing vscode onto our computers, and so it's going to be pretty straightforward. We're going to go to the Windows or the Microsoft Store, which you can see right here, or you can just search Microsoft Store, and then we're going to search here vscode. And then we're going to click right here, and you're going to choose install, and you're going to install on your computer. I've already got a different installation, so I'm not going to complete this right now. As you can see, I've got it right here. Once you install it, though, you may want to right click on it after you open it up and click to the pin to taskbar so that it's always there down there at the bottom for you when you need to use it. Okay, you just install it like that. And then it takes maybe a minute or two, and then you've got VS Code installed.